Good morning. So today, started a little busy but exciting. Maaga akong umalis ng bahay dahil may inattendan akong seminar sa pinag-a-applyan kong job sa isang hotel. Super grateful kasi another step na naman towards my goals. And honestly, nakakakaba pero exciting at the same time. After the seminar, umuwi muna ako saglit to rest and prepare kasi may susunod pa akong pupuntahan. Headed ako sa aking former school which is St. Bernadette College of Alabang. And yes, alumni ako doon. Every time na bumabalik ako, parang ang daming memories na bumabalik. Student days, stress, saya, lahat-lahat. Doon kasi kami magkikita ng best friend ko. At doon din namin napagdesisyonan na mag-meeting for our collaboration sa paggawa ng kanta. Ang saya lang kasi kahit busy na kami sa kanya-kanyang buhay, nagagawa pa rin namin mag-create ng music together. Parang reminder na hindi mo kailangang bitawan yung passion mo kahit adulting na.
Take me on your wings and fly. I wish I was just like you. Maybe then I see the light, and I could be free again, free from my troubles and my sins, free from the deep tide, and free from the fears I try to hide away. I just wanna make you smile. I know that'll take a while. I'm trying to find myself. Oh, I just wanna make you. I just want. I think that I'm running out of time to figure it out. To figure it out. Oh, to figure it out. To figure it out. I'm trying to figure this out. To figure it out. I'm trying to figure this out. Butterfly, butterfly, where you gonna go tonight? Wish I was just like you, maybe then you take me light away from it all again, away from my troubles and my sins, away from the fears inside, away from the tears I try to hide away. 'Cause I just wanna make you smile. I know that'll take a while. I'm trying to find myself. I just wanna make you proud. I think that I'm running out. Figure it out. Butterfly, butterfly, take me on your wings and fly. I wish I was just like you. Maybe then I see the light.
No oyster sauce.
I could be
Ang
free.
dami. After kumain at magpahinga, ako ay nag-check ng mga emails.
Trying to find myself. I just wanna make you. I just want. I think that I'm running out.
Plot twist. To my surprise, yung virtual assistant na nakausap ko to check kung may update pa sa application ko is actually my former classmate. Like, what are the odds, diba? Small world talaga. Moments like this make me realize na minsan hindi mo inaasahan kung saan ka dadalhin ng journey mo. Connections, opportunities, and little surprises along the way. And honestly, ang saya lang i-share ng ganitong araw with you guys. Kahit kaya nakabisi ang araw ko, sinisigurado ko pa rin naaalagaan ko ang sarili ko. Bago ako matulog ay nagtututbrush muna ako at nag-i-skincare. Simple lang, pero malaking bagay para makapag-wind down. After that, umiinom din ako ng gamot na kailangan ng katawan ko kahit hindi ko na siya ipakita sa vlog dahil importante pa rin sa akin na unahin ang kalusugan ko bago ang lahat. Hindi mo naging perpekto ang araw na to. Nagpapasalamat pa rin ako sa lahat ng nangyari. Kaya for now, it's time to rest. Good night. See you on my next vlog. Peace.